What I wanted to be able to show you here was how to record using the digital audio recorders in the studio to record to a blank CD for whatever purposes you might have. So I'm going to choose CD A. There's A, B, and C in the studio. I'm going to choose CD A, turn on the power button. And every step of this process is going to require a little bit of patience. So every single step of the way, there's a little bit of time that you need to give. Basically, your sign is no media. It's recognizing that there's no media inside the device, so it's waiting for something now. Here, in the bottom right-hand corner, you can see that we're selected as our device as the CD. You can switch that by hitting the device button and scrolling through with your scroll wheel, which is like your selector tool, and then actually pushing the scroller wheel to make a selection. Since CD is what we're going with, I'm then going to take a blank CD and insert into the CD player. It requires a little bit of a push, actually, and then again, a little bit of patience while it reads the media. It's going to be looking for existing media just in case this was a rewritable CD and it already had content on it. So in this case, since it was a blank CD, it should go through pretty fast. And then once we see the numbers, we have 0 tracks here and we have 0 amount of time recorded. At this point, I'm able to enable the tracks by hitting the record button. It'll say record standby, and again, a little bit of patience until it churns through that next step in the process. And there you have it. We're record enabled, the pause button is now engaged, and we've actually got audio levels here. That means that we're successfully receiving an audio signal from the control board in the studio. You'll notice that track 1 is now engaged. We're not actually recording yet, but we know that we're getting levels and we're getting an audio feed. So if I want to record something, I simply have to press play. The pause button will disengage and then play will turn green and the counter will begin. So I'm successfully recording all the audio that's coming from the control board into this digital recording device. The big thing here is, do I want to, when it's time to stop recording, do I want to pause the recording and keep a continuous audio file, or do I want to create separate ones? If I wanted to create a continuous audio file, like maybe I was just going on the air and talking, and I wanted to create one continuous audio file for my entire show, just all the talk breaks, then I would hit the pause button. And you notice the counter stops at 34 seconds, and then if I hit play again, it will just continue where it left off. And again, I can press pause. If I wanted to create a separate audio file for every single whatever it might be, I would hit the stop button. It will write the information, and then it will have to hit record, and it will jump now to track 2 and be ready to record again. I would simply press play and continue the entire process.